Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to cover topic number 2.1.2 multiplication of fraction by fraction. We have already covered the theory in lecture number 1, that is multiplication of two fractions. Multiplication of two fractions, that is fraction is of the form a divided by b, where a and b are natural numbers. If we take the example of fractions, that is 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 5 by 3, 7 by 9, 11 by 3, 12 by 5, and so on. We have also covered that if numerator is less, then it is a proper fraction, and if numerator is greater, that is 11 by 3, it is a improper fraction. Now multiplication of two fractions we have already covered, that is if we multiply 2 by 5 into 3 by 2, that is equals to product of numerator, that is 2 into 3, and product of denominator, that is 5 into 2, that is equals to 3 to the 6, 5 to the 10, and if we further reduce, that is equals to 3 divided by 5. Let us take one more example, that is 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 3, that is equals to 1 into 1, that is product of numerator, and 2 into 3, that is product of denominator, that is equals to 1 divided by 6. Now let us visualize this product with the help of picture. Let us start with the one fraction, that is if I write 1 by 2, this means that taking one part out of two parts. And if I draw the figure, that is I will take a circle, I will divide this into two parts and taking one part out of two parts. Now let us take 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. What does this mean is taking one part out of two parts and then we take one part out of three parts. That is, first we are taking one part out of two parts and then we are taking one part out of three parts. Now let us visualize this. That is, first I will take a circle. I will first divide it into two parts, that is 1 by 2, then taking one part out of two parts, that is half of a circle, that is 1 by 2, one part out of two parts, and then divide this into three parts. And then taking one part out of three parts. then taking one part out of three parts. So the product will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 6, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, that is equals to 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 3, that is equals to 1 divided by 6, and this was will be the portion out of one circle. Now let us check the theory, that is multiplication of fraction by fraction. They have taken one circle, they have divided into three parts, and they have taken 1 by 3 of a circle. They have taken 1 by 3 of a whole, that is this, and then out of 1 by 3 of a circle, this is 1 by 3, this is 1 by 3, and this is also 1 by 3, this is 1 by 3, and then they have further divided 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. So this part is 1 by 2 of 1 divided by 3. They have taken half of, that is half of 1 by 3, that is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, that is equals to 1 into 1, that is 1, 2 into 3, that is equals to 6. Let us solve this. Try this. Product of two fractions, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 7, the product of numerator 1 into 1, and product of denominator, that is 1, that is 2 into 7, that is equals to 1 into 1, 2 into 7, that is equals to 1 divided by 14. Product of numerator, that is 1 into 1, 1 into 1 divided by 5 into 7, that is equals to 1 divided by 35. Product of numerator divided by product of denominator, that is equals to 1 divided by 14, and product of numerator divided by product of denominator, that is equals to 1 divided by 35. If I write here for two fractions, say a by b and c by d, multiplication that is a into c divided by b into d. Now let us solve example 2. Example 2 says that Sushant reads 1 by 2 part of book in 1 hour. Sushant reads 1 by 3 part of book in 1 hour. How much part of book will he read in to complete 1 by 5 hours? If Sushant reads 1 by 3 part of book in 1 hour, that is in 1 hour he reads 1 by 3 part, so in 1 by 5 hours he will read 1 by 5 into 1 by 3 part of book, that is equals to, we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, that is 5 to the 10 plus 1, that is 11 divided by 5 into 1 divided by 3, that is equals to 11 into 1 is 11 and 5 3s are 15. Now let us solve this. Try this. We have to find 1 by 3 into 4 by 5 and 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. So product of two fractions, that is product of two fractions, that is a divided by b into c divided by d, that is equals to product of numerator, that is a into c, and product of denominator, that is b into d. So here there are two fractions, 1 by 3 and 4 by 5. So product of numerator, that is 1 by 4 divided by product of denominator, that is 3 into 5, that is equals to 1 into 4 is 4, 3 into 5 is 15. Product of numerator, that is 2 into 1, and product of denominator, that is 3 into 5, that is equals to 2 divided by 15. Now let us solve this. Try this. We have to find first 8 by 3 into 4 by 7, and second 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. This is also the product of two fractions, that is a divided by b into c divided by d, that is equals to a into c divided by product of denominator, that is b into d. Product of numerator, that is 8 into 4, and product of denominator, that is 3 into 7, that is equals to 32 divided by 21. And here product of numerator 3 into 2 divided by product of denominator, that is 4 into 3, that is equals to 6 divided by 12. And we can also write 6 divided by 12, that is equals to 1 divided by 2. In next lecture we will cover value of the products. Thank you.